Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a 1951 GMC panel van. It is obviously maroon in color. It has got a small block 350 in it. It has also got these two beautiful doors with an automatic transmission, 4-speed. It's got Denali seats, leather, and are they heated?
They're not heated, but they are power. You do have power seats in the front. You have manual lumbar support. You have an upgraded sound system in here. You can kind of see the touchscreen there. Tilt wheel, dolphin gauges, which is pretty cool. Budnik wheel, Budnik, something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it. You have power windows, power locks, power brakes, front discs, which is also nice. Mustang 2 front suspension, 4-link rear, Ford 888 with 355 gears. All very nice.
Oh wow, that's really nice. You got two cabinets in here.
Yeah, you have some storage cabinets on the side, which is kind of neat. They got the fire extinguisher back here, which hopefully you never have to use.
Right, but
a bunch of different floor mats in here. You got a wood rim steering wheel, just in case you want it, and another case back there. And yes, this all opens up. So look at that.
In all of its glory.
All of its glory. Plenty of space back there.
Jake, do we have a rear view mirror? We have a
third brake light, which is wired in, but we also have a rear camera.
Nice.
We do have a backup camera in that screen in the front, which is cool. The gas cap is open because there's a button on the inside to pop it, and I hit it earlier.
No.
Yeah, there's a button, no, inside the car, Chris, not inside the hole.
I was gonna say. Well, so that's how you pop it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, very Denali-ish interior. It's very comfortable, I can tell you that much.
Hopefully.
The seats are very nice, they're leather.
Vintage air action.
Vintage air conditioning, that is also true. Got the billet shift lever there on the column, which is also cool. And you do have back seats back there, also from the Denali, which is very neat. And then a little glass partition there to the back of the panel van, so you can see all your stuff back there if you're sitting in the back. And then Chris, open the hood.
Would you look at it?
So we can see the beautiful 350. Very nice. It looks like we got HEI, which is amazing. AC, big red horn. And you got the gold leaf in the badges, which is kind of cool. The GMC badges.
Oh, isn't that nice?
It looks really good with the maroon. All the trim, bright work looks amazing. It's been converted to all LED lights.
Oh, nice.
Which is also nice. And I'm ready to hear it and drive it.
Yes. Do you have the keys?
I do.
All right, here we go.
Oh, did I mention full stainless steel exhaust with Magnaflow mufflers, dual exhaust. Sounds very nice. And those American Racing 18-inch wheels also look very nice. More gold leaf on the side GMC badges. There's the LED headlights. Blinkers. Very nice. And we got brake lights back here. One blinker. And the other blinker. Very nice. And that's our boss's GT40 you're hearing in the background. I'm sorry, that was very loud. Here you go, good sir.
Hey Jake, I was watching you back there.
In the backup camera?
I was. I didn't know you could do that. How cool is that? So you can always leave it on.
Yeah, there's the backup camera.
Yep, and then you do the home, and then you pick whatever you want.
Yeah, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB. Wow.
I like the camera though.
Yeah.
I can see what's behind me. It's like a rear view mirror.
There is a camera mounted here. I'm assuming that's just some sort of dash cam.
Oh, I thought that was you, Jake, honestly.
No, that's with the car.
Oh, okay. But
the GoPro's me. This doesn't come with it. That was in here already.
I thought that was new material.
No. All right, here we go. I also do like the dolphin gauges is what I was trying to say. Got good oil pressure, voltage, fuel, and temperature down there, it looks like. And then you got your speedo over there to the left.
Thing.
Yeah, that's so you can see the stoplights better.
Yep.
Seeing eyeglass.
Love it.
You kind of need that with this visor because it does kind of block some of your view. It's really nice when it's sunny, I'm sure. But that helps you see, you know, the color of the stoplight, so you know when to go.
Geo go.
You don't
I can tell that color.
Bend over like this.
Oh, hello. Holy cow.
It's got some pickup.
She does.
It's got a 350 small block V8. Can't go wrong with that.
No, you cannot.
I also like the billet shifter. I mentioned that earlier, but I think it looks cool. Tilt wheel. It's a luxury option. And of course, because you're in a leather GMC Denali seat, you're very comfortable.
Oh, I am.
I'm very comfortable. In fact, I can.
Oh, I'm going down.
I'm moving mine backwards, so I got a little bit more leg room up here. I'm gonna tilt it back.
Is that some sort of short choke?
No.
It was, but we're both the same height.
Yeah, we're not. We're not the same height. But neither of us are tall.
Yeah. I just did the horn.
The horn is nice. You also have vintage air conditioning. Controls for that are down there. We also have cruise control.
We do.
Yes. Over there on the stalk, the blinker stalk.
Oh, hello.
I mean, it drives very smooth.
Yes, it does.
Again, Mustang 2 front suspension, which is a popular addition to a lot of hot rods.
Hey, look, there's another hot rod.
Yeah, there is another hot rod. Look at that, we're all out today.
We are. That's the Freedom
And
Tour
look at
people.
that
Freedom
truck.
Tour people.
Yeah, there's a rally coming to work today. So we're gonna see a lot of cool stuff. But we also get to drive cool stuff like this. Oh, even the map lights up here have been converted to LED.
Oh, stop it.
Look at that. Here we go around the roundabout.
How about those American flags? You gotta love that.
Very nice.
This car's made in America.
For Memorial Day, it's Memorial Day weekend coming up.
It sure is. Well, she really scoots.
She does scoot, and
Oh my gosh, it's got power windows.
it does have power windows. Let me roll mine up.
It's got power windows.
Look at that.
See who's behind us? Nobody.
You like the camera, don't you?
I'm loving it. This thing is really wicked. Because you can see out of the back. You can. I mean, you've got the mirror, you got the windows, but you know. Oh,
This thing is
whoa.
lined with some
Oh,
sort of
stop it.
red vinyl material.
It's velvet. It's beautiful. It's not velvet.
Very nice.
But it's red and it's glorious.
It is red and it's glorious. So now we have an armrest.
I like it. I like this thing, and it sounds good.
He's got some sort of custom red paneling back here too, on the sides and the back, which is neat. The back seats are in very nice condition. And then again, you have that glass. So if you're sitting in the back, you can see the stuff in the back and the trunk area, that is. The panel area.
Mm-hmm.
It's very cool.
I like it a lot. You checking out the people behind us? Isn't it cool?
Bluetooth audio.
Oh.
Very cool.
Oh, what's going on here,
This thing
folks?
is neat. I don't know, this
Folks.
truck's slowing down ahead of us. But that's all right with us. This thing's staying cool.
It
Still
is.
have great oil pressure. We're at 60 pounds.
I do love the Dolphin gauges. They're very nice.
Dolphin gauges are nice, and they're fitting for cars from this era.
Love it.
They don't look out of place, which is nice. They're very ornate needles and white-faced.
Whoever did this did a really good job. Everything kind of looks very, very, very feng shui.
Everything's integrated very well, and then you have an ashtray here
Oh, you know what that's for.
in case you want to take up smoking. But don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes.
Jake's not a smoker.
This will smoke one tire because it has an open diff.
Very
but
good.
You're not doing
Nice segue.
you're not doing burnouts in a panel truck,
Hope not.
so it doesn't really matter.
You got the wrong truck if you did.
Yeah, but it's got the Ford 8 rear end, so that's nice and stout.
That magic glass sure does work.
Yeah, the seeing eye glass.
Love it.
And this is a Boss Elite audio system. It says it up there. Not super familiar with those, but it's working very nice. The touchscreen is extremely responsive, which is cool. It makes a nice beep when you hit stuff.
So you know you hit it.
Get some haptic feedback.
Oh, haptic.
Audio feedback, that is. Not haptic. Haptics when it vibrates. Anyway. He just keeps putting
Someone behind me.
keeps putting the camera back on.
How often do you get to do that? Unless you're in a new vet. Holy cow, look at that thing. It's like a Unimog.
It's a big military vehicle of some sort.
Don't like it. No, sir. Don't like it.
If you couldn't tell, we're easily distracted.
Yeah, we have ADHD in the worst and best way.
All right, here we are at the bean test. You can see how many beans it has.
I want to get this guy out ahead of me, so I'm going to go slow for a minute.
We'll go over the bump anyway.
Oh, that's right. We have a bump up here.
We got big 18-inch American Racing wheels
We
with
do.
low-profile tires, so avoid potholes. Oh, very nice. Hot shifting action.
Woo!
Now
It
this is a Stage 2 204R transmission from Extreme Automatics.
Yes.
I looked up their website. They do have it available.
Nice.
So it's got some hot shifting action, this thing. It's probably overbuilt for the amount of power the 350 is making, but better overbuilt than underbuilt.
Amen. Under promise and over deliver. That's my motto.
Exactly.
What was that? Oh, I like this horn.
Headliner's in cool, nice condition.
It is.
Visors are not drooping. They're very tight, actually.
Hate droopy visors, but then again, who doesn't?
Yeah, it's a pet peeve of mine.
Oof. Him and his pet peeves.
Me and my pet peeves.
There you go. All right, I've rolled your window down.
I'll roll my window down.
We're getting ready.
All right, you ready to do a couple flybys?
I don't see why not.
Ooh. I don't see why not either.
There he is. Those microphones on the back should pick up all the audio, which is nice. There he goes. Whoa! It made the birds fly away. Well, it was making some noise. We couldn't hear you, Tesla, because you stink.
Oh, hello!
Oh, hi!
You know, I'm usually not a fan of putting big modern screens in old cars, but you kind of want the backup camera in this thing.
Yeah.
It's very nice. When I had to turn around down there and do a little 2-point turn, I didn't have to worry about backing into a pole or anything in this panel van that, you know, doesn't have the best visibility. You just look down here.
The camera works great.
And you have modern audio, so you can listen to all your music on your iPod telephone.
Yes, you can. Now, did you notice that Tesla behind you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was right behind you. But you know, his noise did not interfere with yours because he's quiet.
Yes.
Like a dope.
I'd rather be in this. It's slower than a Tesla, but it's cooler in every way.
Yeah.
You ready to take it back?
Let's go.
Let's go.